Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use bold letters in your comments and replies on the Reddit. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to the thread or subreddit or discussion you would like to join and leave a comment. So let me go over that one here. Click into that speech bubble button to join the discussion and click into add your reply. Now guys, what you want to do is use that text box here to enter your comment, like, I don't know, cute cat or something like that. And after that, highlight your text and make sure that you select the bold letters feature in the top left, and that's going to bold letters or apply these. So if you don't see that feature here, guys, that function, you may enable it by simply accessing the text customization and formatting options here below. Click into them, and that is going to give you access to the bold letters. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to save or to post your comment if you like, or let me cancel it because I don't want to post actually. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.